Is it time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? In this video, we will explore QQQ in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 9th of October, 2024, and now we are here to deliver an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You certainly do not want to miss any key updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 8th of October, 2024, our system has identified QQQ as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.06. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 0.79%. This equates to an average return of 0.39% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently moving within a broad and horizontal trend, and we can anticipate further movements within this pattern. An analysis of the 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 1.93% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 8.76% to positive 5.97%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of around 28.86% over the next year, with a potential return between 19.07% and 39.38%. This corresponds to a price range between $587.21 and $687.34 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for QQQ includes the headline, Green Day on Wednesday for QQQ. The QQQ ETF price increased by 0.787% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 9th of October, 2024, rising from $489.30 to $493.15. During the last trading session, the ETF fluctuated by 1.18%, reaching a daily low of $487.96 and a daily high of $493.73. The price has risen in 6 out of the last 10 days and is up by 1.51% over the past 2 weeks. On the last day, trading volume decreased by 3 million shares, with a total of 25 million shares trading hands, amounting to approximately $12.16 billion. It is important to note that a decline in volume alongside rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $503.52, while the lowest price reached $342.35. Currently, the price is 2.06%, or $10.37, below the 52-week high of $503.52, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. Recent news surrounding the Invesco QQQ exchange-traded fund highlights a mix of bullish sentiment and evolving market dynamics. On the 4th of October, it was noted that the Nasdaq 100 index has gained over 2.5% in the past month, driven largely by the recent Federal Reserve interest rate cuts, reflecting a renewed appetite for growth stocks. This trend could support QQQ's short-term performance, as lower borrowing costs typically boost equity valuations, particularly for tech-heavy portfolios. However, some analysts caution that while QQQ has demonstrated strong performance, it may not be the best option for every investor, suggesting alternative exchange-traded funds that could offer better risk-adjusted returns. This perspective introduces potential volatility in QQQ's price as sentiment shifts among retail and institutional investors. Additionally, the increasing demand for artificial intelligence chips is expected to catalyze growth in related sectors, which could further benefit QQQ given its significant allocation in tech stocks, particularly those involved in AI advancements. In the longer term, as investors increasingly seek income through dividends and alternative investment strategies, QQQ might experience pressure if alternatives provide more appealing risk and return profiles. As the market navigates these factors, QQ's prospects will depend on the interplay between interest rates, sector performance, and investor sentiment, making it an exchange-traded fund to watch closely in the evolving investment landscape. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. The chart today shows mostly positive signals. The QQQ ETF presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal arising from the relationship between these two indicators, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected from the levels at 485 and 24 hundredths and 476 and 27 hundredths. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, the 7th of August, 2024, and since then the price has increased by 13.43%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is also indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Despite the rise in prices, trading volume decreased during the last trading day, creating a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the ETF closely. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots suggested a buy signal 45 days ago. Bollinger also indicated a buy signal 47 days ago. The short-term moving average presented a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a buy signal 22 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy 19 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a buy signal 21 days ago. The long-term moving average also signaled a buy 22 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 222 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $448.75 and $439.53. There is a natural risk involved when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level, as a break below this level could lead to a decline to the next support level. In this case, QQQ finds support just below today's level at $448.75. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $439.53 and $435.37. Generally, the exchange-traded fund tends to show very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered to be quite low for this stock. Over the last day, the exchange-traded fund moved $5.77 between its high and low, reflecting a change of 1.18%. For the past week, the exchange-traded fund has experienced a daily average volatility of 1.19%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for QQQ, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio could indicate a diminished expectation for the company's future performance or suggest that the stock is undervalued, which may present a potential buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at $494.82. If you do not currently own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a point to contemplate swing trading. On the downside, QQQ meets its first support level at $448.75. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point with the potential for a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $477.07, reflecting a decrease of 3.26%. This exchange-traded fund experiences low daily fluctuations, which contributes to its low-risk profile. There is currently a buy signal based on a pivot bottom identified 44 days ago. Is the QQQ ETF a wise investment? Several short-term indicators suggest a positive outlook, leading us to conclude that the current price level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for the QQQ ETF to perform well in the near future. After assessing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 10th of October, we anticipate that the QQQ will open lower by $1.54, starting at $491.61. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you accept full responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.